Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change Capital One ATM withdrawal limit online. Open the website, then sign in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, click on your Capital One 360 checking account. On the middle part of this page, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Account Services and Settings. A pop-up window will appear. There, you will see a section for Manage Debit Card. Under Manage Debit Card, you will see an option for Change ATM Withdrawal Limit. Click on Change ATM Withdrawal Limit. Now, you will see a field from which your current ATM limit is stated. On the same field, enter the amount of the withdrawal limit you wish to set. After entering, click on Next. Now review the following details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you change Capital One ATM withdrawal limit online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.